Boring. Well, yes, it really is my favorite, but care? Yeah? No. It's been raining again. Sucks stick out here. But I have an advantage since it's plants. Boys are Yoshi. They're annoying. They're idiots. Well, whatever. From what I know, Yoshis really like meat. So what's the secret weapon? Pigs. Why is it a pig? A cute little pig. A sweet little Minecraft pig. But not now. You know, the thing is, Yoshis love meat. So, if they see us, we could chuck in the secret weapon first. Okay. Right, go. Ow, what the frick? Who are you? Oh, pig! Oh, yum, 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 yum. Right, pigs. Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Yay, pigs. Thought it would work. Now look at them all eating it. Nom, 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 nom. Alright, now go in there. Shh. Why is it always me? Whatever, go in. Okay. At least there's no way I can get over the fence. Oh my goodness. Oh. Alright, here we go again. Those stupid flat plants. Oh crap, here they come. Shit. Well, those Yoshis are distracted. I can't stop them from eating that meat. These guys are just known that the weakest one is on that lily pad. And most of all, I can't swim, which is a bunch of bullshit. I'll just go and go. Oh, fuck. Oh, frick. Fuck you, zombie. Oh, that was aggressive. Well, it seems like we only have the head zombie. Nope, this is going to be a real pain in the dick. Ha! Ow. Okay, time to go. Crap, the head zombie. Ha ha ha. Gonna go get you. Splosh. Splash. I don't know if you're comfortable. Die. Die. Oh my god, I just hit it. Oh, stupid lily pad. Well, we're getting close. There's 2 more plants left. Going at me, bastard. Oh, got me. Got me as well. Okay, that's done with. Now to go get the brain. Now to kill those plants. Wait, brain? Brains? A brain? Oh, hell yeah! Let's go get this brain then. Alright. Got a brain. Let's go get it. That was an easy battle. All we had to do was just go in there, get our brain, and then done. Yeah. Can't believe we really take it like episodes.
Next time you put your hands on him, you'll have a snap.
Ignore Mom, she's not part of the thing. So ignore her. There's our brain. Nice and juicy. Now, let's eat. No. Who's there? I'm not answering. That was one tasty brain. And attacking this piece of crap plant for no reason. Oh well, they were too delish. They were too delish. They were too delicious. That's why we keep going. Even though the pool is a really good attacking point, I gotta say. Woo. Okay, go back. Door. Hick. Oh. Ow. Well, when are we going to use that zombie of yours in the next episode? Promise? Alright, big promise.